be your vacuum cleaner, breathing in your dust. I wanna be a Ford Cortina, I will never rust. If you like your coffee hot, let me be a coffee pot. You call the shots, babe, I just wanna be yours. Secrets I have held in my heart are harder to hide than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. 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 Wanna be a Ford Cortina, I will never run. I just wanna be yours. I just wanna be yours. I just wanna be yours.
Love, nandito na tayo. Magsisimula na ang buhay natin. Buhay na magkasama tayo. Magkakainisan, pero matututo. Magkakatampuhan, pero magkakaintindihan. Nagkakaaway, pero hindi sumusuko.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait 1,000,000 more for you.
Most of the people around us know that I suffered a great loss. And at that time, I asked God, bakit? Bakit kailangan kong pagdaanan yun? Bakit kailangan sa akin siyang mangyari? But then, here we are. I may not know what the exact answers to my questions are. But when you came, all those slowly went away. You made me excited about life again. My questions and pain turned into gratefulness to the Lord. I felt again na mahal pa rin ako ni Lord.
How you curl your lip when you concentrate enough. I would've known what I was living for.
I know, never in your life na na-picture mo na magpapakasal ka with all this people, celebrations, pictures. But you made this all possible for me. You gave me my dream wedding.
Your love is my turning page. Only the sweetest words remain. Every kiss is a cursive line. Every touch is a redefine.
Maraming salamat sa pag-alaga, pagtiis at pag-intindi. Sa mga oras na tahimik lang ako, bigla ka mag-iingay at kakanta, pinapaalala sa akin na nandyan ka. Halika at samahan mo ako lakbayin ang buhay, hawak kamay at kahalili ang bawat isa. Mahal kita.
Thank you.
If I had only felt how it feels to be yours, well, I would have known what I've been living for long.
Napakalaking bagay kung isasama ninyo ang Diyos sa inyong magiging pagsasama. Kung ang magiging sentro ng inyong pagsasama ay walang iba kundi si Jesus. Kaya nga, Carlo at Jed, palaging lalapit sa Diyos.
Guys, yung masaya!
I know that this could hurt me bad. I know that this could feel like that, but I just can't stop. That my defenses drop.
Hindi ko in-order to. Hi, love. Here's a little something for you. Rayman. Pasok sa 10%. But I hope you like it. See you later at the altar. Let's do this, love, to forever and more with you. Love, Jeka. Unang pagsasama at pagkakilala natin, sumusuka ka. Pero gaya ng pangako ko sa'yo, hindi kita susukuan. Madami nangyari, madaming pinagdaanan, pero pinagtagpo ulit tayo.
It feels like I'm falling in love. Maybe for the first time. Baby, it's my mind. You blow. It feels like I'm falling in love. You're throwing me a lifeline. This is for a lifetime. I know that in
Congratulations and best wishes.
of two people
Man, the
there's
best
a spark between. One gets
Nasuot ko na ba?
Nabibilot ako. Hindi ko pa nakita to. Hindi naman ako pakilamero para makita ko to eh. Ito yung pinakilamang ko. Kaya nakita ko na, alam ko na to.
feels like I'm falling in love. You're throwing me a lifeline. This is for a lifetime.
I know this is just a start. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati ng mga challenges na pagdadaanan natin. But this time, know na hindi ka na mag-isa. I will always be here to hold your hand and support you. No matter what, no matter where. I will always be here to make you inis, away, do all these silly things that will keep you young. We can do this, love. I'm with you forever. I love you.